In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid replying to all in Gmail. We've all been there. You're responding to an email, and after hitting send, you realize the email has reached not just the individual you intended, but everyone in the conversation. It's a simple mistake, but can lead to unnecessary clutter in others' inboxes, not to mention possible embarrassment or even miscommunication. The good news is, Gmail provides a straightforward way to prevent this from happening. Whether you're new to Gmail or just seeking a refresher, let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by entering the URL mail.google.com or selecting it from your bookmarks if you've already saved it. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. You'll see your inbox along with any emails you've received. Go ahead and click on one of these emails that you need to respond to, ideally one that's part of a conversation chain. Once the email is open, you'll notice a few different buttons towards the top of the email. Among these, you'll generally find Reply, Reply All, and Forward. Here's the crucial part. When you click Reply All, your response will be sent to every recipient addressed in the original email, including those in the CC and BCC fields. To avoid this, click on the Reply option. This ensures your email will only be sent back to the sender of the original message. If you find yourself in a situation where you constantly hit Reply All by habit, there's a way to tweak this behavior. Consider taking a moment before you press send each time. It can also be helpful to read through your response, ensuring each part of your message is meant for the person you're replying to. A helpful habit is to double-check the to field before confirming the message, giving you a second line of defense against sending emails wider than intended. To further safeguard you from this oversight, consider changing your settings in Gmail. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon on the top right corner. From there, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the General tab. Within this section, you can adjust your default reply behavior to only reply to the sender, ensuring that Reply All isn't the default mode of response. With these tips and reminders, you can significantly reduce the chances of erroneously sending your responses to unintended recipients. Taking a moment to pause and ensure your email is ready to send only to the needed recipient could save you a lot of headaches down the road. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and guides.